Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Today guys, I'll be showing you how to create an epic in Jira. So guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. It is very easy to do and you will have no problem following my instructions. So guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is after entering Jira, you will be greeted by this main page right here. If you do not know how to enter Jira guys, make sure to watch our other video where we show you how to set up Jira and how to get started using it. But yeah guys, after entering you will be greeted by this page and we want to go in the upper corner of the page where we will be seeing all this array of options that we can choose. We want to go ahead and click on projects and select the project where we want to create an epic for. So let's say this is the project that we just clicked where we want to create an epic. So after clicking on this project, this is the main page we will be greeted by. This is the dashboard of our page. And now guys, to create an epic, all you have to do is go in the upper corner again and find this blue button called create. So after finding create, you want to go ahead and click on create, and this will open up this new window, this new prompt where we will be able to create an epic. So go ahead and select the project where you want to create it, and after that, under that, the issue type, you want to click on this and select epic. So guys, after selecting this, you will now be able to create an epic. Give it a name. Let's say the name is tutorials. Give a summary, something in precise that you want to be remembered this epic for. Let's say tutorial video. You can type in anything you want in the description. You can type the report, choose the report. Let's say creating a video for tutorial. And after this guys, just go ahead and fill out the info that you need in the next files. You do not need to type in everything. I will not typing anything. You can select your sprint and so on and so on. And after doing that guys, just go ahead and click on the blue button called create, and as you can see here guys, now this epic has been created. Tutorial for YouTube has been created and is an issue. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.